Speech is the most expressive and expedient way to communicate. It's our first choice for important conversations. A busy contact center handles tens of millions of spoken conversations in a single year. Contact centers must handle these requests efficiently and learn from their mistakes quickly. But every minute, thousands of new, important interactions are at stake. There isn't enough time or human power to analyze all those conversations. Machine power is needed to listen to and understand every single interaction. That's the power of Grid-Space Sift, software that instantly captures, analyzes, and distills conversational speech. First, conversations are streamed to Grid-Space Sift as they happen. Each conversation is transcribed into accurate, formatted text. Next, Grid-Space Sift tags highlights and alerts, not just based on what is said, but also how it is said, including emotion and urgency. Then, Grid-Space Sift gives valuable context to conversations by identifying contact center-wide trends, events, and outcomes. With quick delivery of insightful data from Grid-Space Sift, managers and their teams can make smart and timely decisions to optimize the contact center and better serve customers. Grid-Space Sift empowers companies to extract more value from important conversations.